Hi and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely lovely Ford Kuga ST-Line, and this is the 1.5 TDCI engine, so it's the diesel and it's also got the automatic gearbox. What a combination. I can only say I've drove the car. We sell a lot of these, maybe 1.5 EcoBoost petrols with a manual gearbox, but this is the first time I've had a fantastic opportunity to drive a 1.5 diesel with the automatic transmission, and I am absolutely sold on it. Now this is a 67 reg, so first of the new models with the fully colour-coded body kit and the wonderful bicolour alloy wheels. Now the colour is moon dust silver, which the car looks absolutely fantastic on these, and as I say, the wonderful 18-inch bicolour alloy wheels are in near superb, if not outstanding condition. Now the cars, the ST-Line is the sportier looking vehicle, so you get the piano black inlays in that front grille there in this sunshine. I hope that shows off, and then underneath you've got the bottom trim on the bumper also in the high gloss piano. Down the side of the vehicle we get the power vents then in the wings, in the ST-Line badges, as well as in the high gloss black, and the passenger wheel is again the bicolour and in superb condition. Now looking down the side of the car, this has had a very easy life. It's only done just over 23,000 miles from new. We get the roof bars and then the piano black window trims, but the whole car, there isn't I would say an SUV that probably looks as good and drives as good as a Ford Kuga. The Ford range, you do get that dynamic drive, everything about them is superb. The diffuser, then we get the twin tailpipes there, parking sensors on the front and also on the rear. Full set of Ford mats there, and you can see how big the boot space is. So if you've got a growing family, I don't think there's a car which would suit you more than this, in my honest opinion. Looking round it, the vehicle is in superb condition. I can only praise the previous keeper's care of it. It is a 2018 car, so 2017, sorry. But inside we then have the ST-Line half leather interior, silver details. Ford do know how to do interiors particularly well. Very nicely fit and finish, and the materials they use withstand daily life very well. So power folding mirrors, we've got the ST-Line chrome sill plates there. The driver's seat is in superb order, nothing on there that would detract from the purchase of this vehicle. Wear is to a minimum. Jumping in, we get the aluminium pedal set, and we get the start button here, and it's done 23,852 miles. There's the easy to use automatic gearbox. I'll shut the door. Now this particular vehicle has the Ford Sync system, so it's all voice activated if you wanted to use the voice. If not, very easy touch screen. So sources, we've got the DAB radio, CD, Bluetooth audio, you've got your Bluetooth phone, you've got satellite navigation, apps, so you can connect your phone to it. You'll have then, I would have thought, Apple CarPlay and stuff like that. There you go. Android Auto, Wi-Fi, you name it. Selecting reverse, then we get the parking sensors, as I mentioned before. We do have the old-fashioned CD player up there, automatic handbrake, digital climate control, and then we've got parking sensors, but also we've got the parallel park system, which Fords have if you do trust the car to park itself once you've gone past one of these parking spaces. I don't smoke, and I can tell the previous owner didn't smoke, but when you look around the car, the 23,852 miles that it's done, it's been done in a very nice fashion, very lightly used. Front heated windscreen for winter, auto dimming mirror, as I say, power folding mirrors on the outside, nice when you're in a car park. Leather trim steering wheel with multifunction, so you can use the computer. We've got little paddles as well on the steering wheel. We've got cruise control and speed limiter. So all the features of a big, large, luxury prestige car you get in one of these. But again, just pop in the fact that it's got the 1.5 diesel engine capable of over 60 miles to the gallon. Thinking of efficiency and saving costs on a day-to-day life now as fuel increases. These are the type of vehicles which, when we do look at the majority of our lives and the times we spend in them and the driving styles, it's all mostly round town. That automatic gearbox comes into its own too. So we've got everything that was available when it was new still with us today. So book pack, 2 keys. The car will be presented to the highest of standards here at Alpha Motors, as all our vehicles are. Now we offer a click and collect, so you can put a reservation on this. We'll get it ready for you, so you only need to come to Wigan once. At which point, once you test drove it, you're happy with it, you can do a bank transfer. Now if you have a finance on a vehicle, we can settle that off. You can get into this vehicle. If you have a look under the advert, you'll see that the vehicle has got a finance calculator. If not, you can give me a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, I've got Dominic, and we've got Lee on sales. Either one of us will be happy to help in any way. If you've got a part exchange, we can give you a price over the phone. It's simple, it's fun. Have a look on our socials, so you see lots of customers from all over the country collecting cars. Have a look at our reviews, see what they're saying about us. Those are people who are verified, purchased the car from us. Don't let us tell you what we do. We've been doing it for 40 years. Have a look what they say about the way they were treated at Alpha Motors. But up now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.